Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all the birthday wishes you received on your Facebook timeline. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. After that, tap on three lines in the top left corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Activity Log. Then tap on Your Facebook Activity. After that, tap on Posts. Then tap on See More. After that, tap on Other People's Posts to your feed. Here, you can see all the birthday wishes that people have posted on your Facebook timeline. If you want to delete all of them at once, tap on Select All box. This will select all of your birthday wish posts. Now tap on Remove. And if you tap Remove again, all of your selected birthday wishes will be permanently deleted from your Facebook timeline. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.